Hey, I am standing in front of a fully renovated house here in Sun City Anthem, Henderson, Nevada. Let's flip the camera on and take a look. All right, let's get in here. So everyone knows what we do here. One take, we're just gonna walk through. You and I'm gonna just talk it out and let you see the house. From floor to roof in this case, because not only has the whole house been reimagined, they even replaced the underlayment on the roof here. So a common feature in the Sun Belt and Las Vegas is we have these tiles, concrete tiles, instead of the composite shingles. So under the tiles, we have an underlayment that could have a 25-year or could have a 50-year lifespan. But the tiles last a lot longer than composite shingle, especially here in this heat. But underneath the tile, you do have to get that the underlayment changed if it's dry and brittle. You do run the risk of some leaks. So they did make the effort and changed out the underlayment here. So here's what we're looking at. We got a 2-bedroom house, 2-bath, just over 1,500 square feet, 1,508. List price is $549,700. Very approachable for a fully renovated move-in home in Sun City Anthem. Sun City Anthem is a 55-plus community with a fantastic social scene. They have several clubhouses with tons of activities and tons of amenities. So I like to always start in the kitchen, the main area. That's where we spend the most of our time. The living area has an extra wide fireplace. Got the dining area over here. And we're back to the kitchen. So from right to left here, counterclockwise, we'll just start the pantry area here, which I want to point out, right? It's a 55-plus community. You got two, 3, and 4-bedroom homes for the most part. And what I do find is a large pantry, not as needed when, not as many people in the house. So, I like it. It's a good use of space. You have plenty of cabinet space along here. And then I love what they did. They extended the countertops all the way over there. So you do have some additional storage down below as well. Coming back, we have these fantastic gold and gray striations in the quartz countertops. And you'll see there's actually 2 tones. You have I'd say like a medium gray with some white speckles. And then you have the white with the gray. So you got the gray coming back and forth in 2 colors. It's interesting backsplash throughout. Brand new LG oven, range, 5-burner. And look at this microwave. Yeah, you got widescreen TVs, and then you have widescreen microwaves. It's not vented up there, so you do want to make sure you change your filters out regularly. And everything is soft close. Convenience at its best. Extra wide sink. Take a look below. Nice and clean. Yeah, all new. It looks like all new cabinets throughout the whole home. New fixtures, fireplace updated, flooring. Like I said, the ceiling's been updated, bathrooms. I mean, this is just move-in ready. Definitely move-in ready as far as I can tell. We have an extended island here. So in this floor plan, the island's usually not this large, which is nice. You're getting that extra seat over here on the island. And totally open. I mean, here we are in the kitchen. I'm just standing at the island, and you got eyes on the entire living area here. I'll step back in the corner. If you're over by the sink and just turn around. So coming back over here, this will be your fridge space. And I like how they extended the kitchen over here to the eating kitchen area. So if you were averse to a formal dining area and just wanted a smaller table, you could certainly throw something small over here or nothing at all and just use your bar top, and then you can kind of convert that into a sitting area. It's just a second option that I see. There's your main living area with the extended fireplace. Let's slop outside real fast while I'm at the door, and then we'll come back in and take a look at the rest of the house. So I love this covered patio. It's about maybe southeast facing. So you are going to get some morning and afternoon sun. And I'm a big fan of the covered patio. Just keep the heat off the back of the house. Another common thing I see here in Sun City Anthem and many of the 55 plus communities to, I guess, promote community and interaction. The backyards don't oftentimes have fully boxed in walls. And that's the case here. But it is fenced in, so should you be a dog person or any other animal that you have as a pet, you do have that backyard available to you. Easy maintenance backyard. Everything looks like it's desert landscaping. Got the rock bed instead of the mulch here. Very, very common. It gets hot here. My guess is mulch wouldn't do so well here. One little spark and you could probably have a fire. And as we know, use what you have locally. And we definitely have a lot of rock here. Definitely got a lot of rock. So there's your backyard. It's nice here. This is a primary bedroom. You do have a slider right out to the backyard also. And some space off to the side. Set up a table. And you have a permanent grill area here too, which is nice. A prop table off to the side. Let me check here. Yep. So it's not connected to the house. Just gotta change your tank. So there's your backyard. So Sun City Anthem, it is an HOA. So at time of filming here, the like I said, the list price was $549,700, and my understanding the HOA is $145 a month. But I always tell my clients, no matter what you hear, the final number will come from the HOA. When you get under contract, they will send a whole package directly to you, the buyer, and there you'll have all your bylaws and all the information on the HOA. So even if I helped a client close on a house 5 days ago and knew what the HOA was, when you go under contract, I always want my clients to only rely on direct information from the HOA. So, 145 is a good basis, but that can always change because I'm not privy to, when the board meets and if there's any changes. So here you have, this is where your TV would be hung up top. Real nice mantle. Love the mantle. This extra wide fireplace, and probably counts as a heater as well. Save on gas and stick with electric. Have the same countertop here as we found in the kitchen, and the same lower cabinetry from the kitchen there as well. Standing in the corner here, that's our house. You see definitely enough space for a large couch, a chair. You could close it off and have another chair over here. I always tell people though, when you have something open on this side, as you walk in the door, it feels a lot more open when you don't have the back of a chair or the back of a couch kind of facing you. So functionality wise, sure you can add something. Feng shui, maybe you want to keep it open, just have that better vibe. So right now we have this set up as a dining room. With the extra high baseboards down here, all throughout. Modern fixtures throughout. The laundry area right off of the garage. Nice classy shelf. Some storage. This is where your washer dryer would go. Gas and electric hookup. And I am a huge fan of any sort of storage and closet space coming out of the garage. I think it's one of those missed opportunities from builders, as we do seem to come in through the garage a lot more than the front door, right? That's where we park our cars. So here's the primary bedroom. Corner here. Got that modern fan. And into the closet here. Large walk-in closet. Double tiered storage. I like what they did with this rack here too. Yeah, it's all about the extra head-high storage, and they've nailed it there. Nice size closet. Bathroom, same countertop here. One sink with like a makeup chair area, and then a fully remodeled shower. And if you recognize, it's the same tile they used in the kitchen for the backsplash, bringing it all together. Nice cutout here for the things. And you got the double shower head. Low threshold there. So coming out of the primary, let's take a look at the other bedroom. While I'm walking over there, I do want to thank the listing agent, Michelle Nook Edmonds with Life Realty District, for allowing me to bring this to you. So here's the main entrance closet space. This perspective. Walk in the front door, and that closet's right to the right there. So what are the nuances of a 55 plus community? You are not supposed to have under 18 individuals living with you. Of course, you do have quite a few grandparents that live in the community. So it's not like you can't have your grandkids come and stay with you. My understanding is it's just limited in how many days underage children may be in the house, whether it's 1 or 2 months. I'm not sure. Again, that's where you'd really find out from the HOA docs. But nobody's trying to stop you from having your grandkids visit. They are just trying to avoid the youthful sounds overall in the community and maintain that retirement 55 plus feel. Here's the bathroom, both for the second bedroom, the guest bedroom, and the main area bathroom. So similar to the others, you have the same countertop, and the cabinets here are the ones continued from the top of the kitchen. And then same reimagined shower area. You got the oversized shower head with the handle. I love the stone here. It's like the smooth river stone, but you have the concrete in between, so your feet get that nice grip. Still kind of giving you some texture down there. Well, there you have it. So this is a great example of just a move-in ready, fully remodeled home here in Sun City Anthem. Again, to review, list price at date of filming, $549,700. We got a $145 a month HOA with Sun City Anthem. And I should mention the HOA has, I want to say, almost like 100 clubs too. So if you're looking for a community that has, ample entertainment, whether it's you like to play cards, whether you like to sew or like you woodwork, they've got it all. They got a lot of options. Well, glad you could join me on this, and I look forward to seeing you on the next.